Madrid, the capital of Spain, is a vibrant and culturally rich city that attracts millions of visitors each year. Known for its stunning architecture, world-class museums and lively atmosphere, Madrid offers a unique blend of history and modernity. Whether you're planning a trip to Madrid or simply exploring it through video footage, observing this enchanting city by drone will give you a new perspective on its beauty and charm from above. As the largest city in Spain and one of the largest cities in Europe, Madrid boasts a wide range of attractions to suit a variety of interests. From iconic landmarks such as the Royal Palace and Plaza Mayor to world-class art museums such as the Prado Museum and the Queen Sofia Museum, there is no shortage of cultural treasures to explore. In addition to its historical significance, Madrid also boasts a thriving art scene. The city is known for its art museums, including the Prado Museum, the Queen Sofia Museum, and the Thyssen-Bornemisza Museum. Art lovers can enjoy masterpieces by famous artists such as Picasso, Goya, and Velázquez. Madrid also offers ample opportunities for outdoor activities. The vast Retiro Park is an oasis in the city, where visitors can relax by the serene lake or explore its beautiful gardens. For those looking to experience Madrid's vibrant atmosphere, a visit to its bustling markets such as the Mercado de San Miguel or El Rastro is a must. These bustling centers offer an array of local produce and culinary delights, showcasing the city's culinary prowess. Whether you are interested in history, art, cuisine, or simply enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of a bustling European capital, there is something for everyone in Madrid. Plan your visit to this charming city and discover why it continues to be one of Spain's top tourist destinations.